Welcome to our revolutionary training materials, written for the Australian care industry. They are designed to provide you with the tools needed to deliver high-quality comprehensive training. But we don't stop there. We've taken things to the next level by creating a website that simulates a working environment, making it easier than ever for you to complete assessments and gain a virtual hands-on experience. Our workspace is packed with features that will enhance your learning experience. We offer case studies that are designed to provide practical, real-world examples of the skills and knowledge you will need to succeed in the care industry. Our profiles of patients give your students the opportunity to learn about a wide range of conditions and disabilities, and our policies and procedure documents ensure that they are equipped with the knowledge they need to provide safe and effective care. In addition, we provide forms and templates to make it easy for us to assess our students' progress. Our video and multimedia content provides a rich, engaging learning experience that will help you retain information and apply it in real-world situations. We believe that education is the key to success in the care industry. That's why we have created not only a comprehensive suite of training materials but also simulated working environments to help students gain the skills and knowledge they need to excel.